Today is Tuesday, May 30th, and this is your 2-Minute Tech Bite. Tesla is in the hot seat as over 23,000 internal files and documents were leaked to the German news organization Handelsblatt. The documents hold information from 2015 to 2022 and include PII, or personally identifiable information, for over 100,000 current and former employees. Along with the PII, the documents include 2,400 reports about self-acceleration issues, 1,500 reports about braking problems, 139 about unintentional emergency braking, 383 about phantom stops from flash collisions, over 1,000 crash reports, and 3,000 records where drivers express concerns about the driver assistance system. Tesla has not publicly responded to the documents and is considering the data stolen via their managing counsel for litigation, Joseph Alm. Furthermore, the company is suing the ex-employee for theft of Tesla confidential information and employees' personal data. Google has been given a crushing defeat as it has been fined $32.5 million in a verdict Friday, May 26th. The legal battle that started in 2020 revolves around the use of patented multi-room audio technology owned by the audio technology company Sonos. This was not a crushing victory for Sonos, as the jury deemed Google was not infringing on a separate patent regarding the Google Home app, which was estimated to rack up $90 million in damages, according to a Sonos expert witness. The final fine was broken down to $2.30 per unit across 14,133,588 units for a grand total of $32,507,183.40. The Honorable Judge William Alsup was preceding the case and described it as an emblematic of the worst of patent litigation, addressing the issues surrounding the technical jargon within the patents. Law 360 reported that he had to check in at multiple points that the jurors were awake during the hearing. Apple is also being charged with a fine as U.S. District Judge Edward Davia held up a $50 million settlement Friday. The case revolves around the MacBook Butterfly keyboard installed in MacBooks, MacBook Airs, and MacBook Pros from 2015 and 2016. The lawsuit alleged that Apple failed to provide sufficient repairs or troubleshooting help for specific MacBook Butterfly keyboards manufactured between 2015 and 2019. Class members are expected to receive between $50 and $395 dependent upon the number of repairs they endured and the number of requests the settlement gets. Currently, there are more than 86,000 claims that have been submitted. The amount seen by the end users will only hit a max of $35 million as the judge granted Apple's lawyers' request for $15 million in legal fees. Bandit, a new Go-written information stealer currently targeting Windows systems, has been found in the wild by Trend Micro Friday. The malware is currently Windows only, but does have Linux commands in its execution, prompting researchers to expect a cross-platform version soon. The current techniques used are similar to Python-based stealers, including Creole Stealer, Luna Grabber, Kyoku Cookie Token Stealer, and Pegasus Stealer. Currently, the executable steals computer details, including IP location and OS details, browser data, including logins, cookies, history, and credit cards, local cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin and Ethereum, and crypto wallets, including Crypto.com and Clover wallets. There are not currently any groups associated with this malware. To mitigate your risk of stealers, update your operating system to the latest version, install a reputable antivirus, enable two-factor authentication wherever possible, and don't download anything you aren't expecting to receive. Today is Tuesday, May 30th, and that was your 2-Minute Tech Bite. Have you enabled 2FA on your YouTube account? How far out are fully automated self-driving cars? Did Peter really pick a patch of pickled peppers? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you want to take a bite out of your day and stay in the know, subscribe and hit the bell to be alerted for your next bite. Thank you for watching. We will see you with the newest tech news in the next 2-Minute Tech Bite.